everyone, welcome back to our channel Real Cash. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online just by selling products using some of the most popular selling apps like eBay and Poshmark. Whether you have unused items lying around or want to start an online business, these apps are a great way to turn your things into cash. So let's dive in and break it all down for you. Step 1, choose the right selling app. Now, the first thing you need to do is to choose the right app for selling your products. So here's a quick overview of the three apps we will be using today. Firstly, it's eBay, which is ideal for selling almost anything from electronics to collectibles and vintage items. eBay allows auctions or fixed price listings, giving you flexibility. Set up an eBay account, go to ebay.com or download the eBay app. Secondly, click register and enter your name, email, and password. Then choose between a personal or business account. A personal account is great for casual sellings, while a business account is for serious resellers. Then set up your payment method. eBay uses Payoneer or direct bank deposits for seller. And boom, you are ready to buy and sell. Now sell on eBay. Now let's talk about selling. Here's how you can list your first product. Firstly, click sell on the eBay homepage. Then enter your product name. eBay will suggest categories. Then upload clear, high quality photos. Great photos help sell faster. Then write a detailed title and description. In this, include keywords like brand, size, and condition. For example, Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, size 10, like new. Then set your price. Now here you can use auction if you want competitive bidding, or choose buy it now for instant sale. Then choose shipping and payment options. Then click list item and you are live. Understanding eBay fees. eBay charges a final value fee, usually 13.25% of the sell price plus $0.30 per transaction. Here there is no fee for listing up to 250 items per month, so beginners can start for free. And the best tip to sell faster: use bright, high resolution images, price competitively by checking similar listings, offer free or fast shipping for better sales, respond to buyers quickly for good ratings, and build up positive feedback to boost trust. eBay rewards active sellers with more visibility, so keep listing and optimizing. If you want a global platform with flexible selling option, eBay is a great choice. It's perfect for flipping items, decluttering, and even building an online business. But remember, competition is high and fees can add up. Now, the second app is Poshmark. Poshmark is an online marketplace where people buy and sell new or used clothes, shoes, accessories, etc. Now, think of it like eBay meets Instagram with a focus on fashion. It's perfect for flipping thrift finds or selling things you no longer wear. Over 18 million users are already on Poshmark, and it's super beginner friendly. Once installed, open the app and you are ready to sign up. Tap sign up and you can use your email, Facebook, Apple, or Google account. Pick a username that feels like a shop name. For example, trendy threads or boots in style. Now, add your basic info, then go to your profile and upload a clear profile picture. This helps build trust with buyers. Now, how to list an item? Tap the camera icon at the bottom center. Then take photos of the boots, front, back, side, top, soles, etc. Show brand label and size also. Use natural light and clean background. Then title Dr. Martens Black Leather Combat Boots size 8. In description, write gently used Dr. Martens Combat Boots, black leather, lace up style, very durable, only when worn a few times. No major scuffs, perfect for fall or winter. In category, women, then shoes, then boots. Size, choose correct size. Brand, select if available. Condition, like new, good. Then original price, like $150. And then listing price, which is $75. You will get about $60 after postmarks fee. Then tap next, then list this item. When someone buys your boots, Postmark will email you a prepaid shipping label. Just print it, package your item in any box or padded envelope. Tape the label and drop it at your nearest USPC location. Once the buyer receives the boots and accepts the delivery, Postmark releases your money. Now you can transfer it to your bank or request a check. And a bonus tip to sell faster is share your listing daily. The more you share, the more people see them. Then use keywords like include words like leather, combat boots, fall fashion. Then send offers to likers. Drop the price a bit to close the sale. And bundle discounts, which encourages multiple purchases with discount. Thanks for watching. By following these steps, you can start selling products and making money online with apps like Postmark, eBay, etc. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments what you plan to sell. Good luck and happy selling. Thank you.